Hello everyone, great to see you again. Welcome back. This is Ted with you, as always, and we are studying ESB Math. Today, our lesson is lesson number 12. Lesson 12, the topic is addition signs. Addition signs. On our last lesson, we learned about addition. We added some apples together. Today, we will learn about addition signs. Okay, what are the 5 sentences we want to focus on? Number 1, the plus sign tells you to add. The plus sign tells you to add. Number 2, when you see a plus sign, you add things up. When you see a plus sign, you add things up. Number 3, you can add 2 numbers up and down. You can add 2 numbers up and down. Number 4, you can add numbers in any order. You can add numbers in any order. And number 5, our final sentence, the answer you get is called a sum. The answer you get is called a sum. Okay, those are the 5 key sentences for today. Are you ready to study the lesson? Good, so am I. Let's go do it. Welcome back. Here we are at the chalkboard. Well, today's topic is addition signs. Addition signs. Addition, as we have learned, we learned about that last show. Addition means adding, putting things together. When we put things together, we add them. So what is an addition sign? Here it is, right here. This is the addition sign. This sign means addition. It means you should add things. You should put them together. Add or addition. Okay. Do you know what this is called? This is called the plus sign. The plus sign. When you see this sign, you can say the word plus. Plus. Plus means add. When you say plus, you are adding something. Aha. The plus sign tells you to add. The plus sign tells you to add, so when you see the plus sign, you add things up. When you see a plus sign, you add things up. You put things together. Okay, how do we do it? Well, there are many ways to do it. There are many ways to add things up. Let's take a look. First of all, you can add 2 numbers up and down. Up and down. You can add 2 numbers up and down. Here we have 2 numbers up and down. Up and down. On top of one another. So you can add 2 numbers up and down. Well, here we see the plus sign. the plus sign. Remember, the plus sign tells you to add. So we're going to add two numbers up and down. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. We did it. We added numbers up and down. Remember, you can add two numbers up and down. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's try one more, okay? All right. Here's another problem. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. We will add these numbers up and down. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. You can add two numbers up and down. Now, let's erase that. Let's try something different. You can add numbers in any order. So we added up and down. Now let's add across. Let's try some new numbers. 4 and 3. What's missing here? What's missing? We want to add numbers, right? We want to add numbers together. What do we use? That's right. We use a plus sign. The plus sign tells you to add. Now, we can add the two numbers. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. One more? Okay. 5, 3. 5 and 3. Once again, we must use the plus sign. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Remember, you can add numbers in any order. You can add numbers in any order. Once again, let's look at our two examples. Up and down. Two plus 5 equals 7. And across. 1 plus 4 equals 5. The key here, of course, is the plus sign. Plus, plus. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 1 plus 4 equals 5. The answers are 7 and 5. What do we call that? What do we call the answer? The answer you get is called a sum. 7 is the answer. 7 is the sum. 5 is the answer. 5 is the sum. So, when you do addition You add things up, and the answer you get is called a sum. Great work, everyone. Well, what a great lesson we had. Our topic was addition signs. Addition signs. We learned about the plus sign. The plus sign tells you to add. We practiced some adding. We added some numbers up and down, and we added some numbers across. Finally, we learned that the answer is called a sum. When you add numbers together, when you add things together, the answer you get is called a sum. Okay, great work, everyone. But keep working. Don't stop now. We still have a lot more to go. We'll be back next time with our next lesson. See you then. Bye-bye.